gagawin kasi masabi niya yung aso. Nakasalimutan.
Ay po. Pakilala po muna ako. I'm Maria Angelique po and we're conducting an interview po about the PUP pillars and strategic goals. Tatanong lang po ako if okay lang po ba na ma-interview po kayo? So wala naman pong right or wrong answer, just be honest eh. And then also po, wala rin pong language na kailangan. So kahit ano po, kung komportable kayo is okay. So, first po, okay lang po if magpakilala po kayo.
Okay po. Hello, I'm Lawrence Lamisang Villalacruz.
I am Michael Rasimiros. Hi, I am Lester Gentilorio.
Hello, I am Sherry. So, meron po tayong 4 questions. 4 din po kayo. So, sino po yung pwedeng unang tanong? So, for our question number 1 po, what do you think about the teaching quality of the professors in PUPS?
Para sa akin, ang quality of teaching ng mga professor sa loob ng PUP maganda at magaling dahil hindi nila pinapabayaan ng mga estudyante at binibigyan nila ng sapat na gabay para mga estudyante ng PUP ay makagraduate ng maayos at talagang maging successful sa kanilang pinagawin.
So, for our second question, sino po yung pwede tayo? So, for our second question naman po, what do you think about the role of teaching in PUPS? Since PUPS conducts hybrid learning style, which is online classes and face-to-face classes, I think it's very effective and convenient for both the student and the professor. Since sa face-to-face classes, very natutunan talaga yung students, better communication skills, and fast feedback. While in online classes, it's very convenient for both the professor and the student. Since yung ibang professor namin dito ay may ibang trabaho, may part-time jobs. So kahit nasan sila, ay pwede pa rin nila kami ma-meet in that online class. So I think it's very efficient, flexible, and effective for everyone. Sa number 3 naman. For our question number 3 naman po, so as a student, do you feel that the university or the PUPSMD helps you develop your full self, both intellectual and emotional?
Thank you for the question. As an scholar ng bayan, PUP SMPC helps me enhance my whole self, not just my intellectual and emotional, as well as my physical, spiritual, especially the financial. Thank you.
So what do you think about the school's curriculum?
Para sa akin po, the curriculum is well balanced. Nabibigyan po ng pahinga at tamang education yung mga students through the curriculum na binigay nila. Thank you po.
Thank you po sa mga answers. Maghanap na tayo ng i-interview natin. Hi po! I'm Maria Angelique de la Cruz po and nagkakonduct po kami ng interview about the PUP pillars and strategic goals. Okay na po ba if may interview po namin?
Okay naman.
So first po, magpakilala po muna kayo.
I'm Kit Chester naman. I'm Mark Lawrence Bertolos po. I'm Joaquin Benedict po.
So may 3 questions po kami para sa inyo. Tig-isa na lang po kayo. Then wala naman po tama or maling answers. And wala rin pong language na need. So kung saan po kayo komportable, okay lang din po. So sino po yung pwedeng unang tanong?
Okay.
So for the question number 1, how does the Institute promote new ideas in research and share with communities?
Bilang scholar ng bayan, we immediately think of solution na kaya mag-benefit sa mga local. For example, yung mga stores, kumukuha kami ng beneficiary sa kanila para mas mag-improve publicity.
So for the next question po, sino po yung pwedeng
Okay lang.
So, question number 2. How does the institution connect research findings to real-world solutions for community problems?
Bali yung mga researcher po, nagbe-base po sila sa mga problema ng law para ma-solve.
So, for the last question po, so how does the research of each student help the institution or the PUPS?
Yung mga research findings po na pinapublish po nila para makita at maaral din ng mga upcoming students.
Thank you so much po sa mga answers po. Let's proceed to the next interview.
I'm RT Delacon, BSI. I'm Marcus Pereira, BSI.
Okay, so may 4 questions po kami. Then wala naman pong right or wrong answers. And any kind of language po is okay lang as long as comfortable. So sa for question number 1 po, sino po yung unang pwede na? Do you think that students from PUP SMB are capable student leaders?
Bilang scholar ng bayan, masasabi kong capable kaming maging student leaders kasi kaya namin mag-set ng good example and makapagbigay ng solution sa mga problem.
Thank you po. For question number 2, sino po yung next? Okay. So for question number 2, what do you think about the student council that governs the university?
I think it is great po. They make events and seminars na nakakatulong po na i-form po yung mga students.
So for question number 3 po, what do you think about organization officers in PUP SMB?
Para sa akin, pagdating sa pagpapatakbo nila ng mga event, maayos naman din. Maayos din sila sa pagdating sa mga concerned students. Though may mga problema silang mga nakakarap, nagagawa na rin naman agad ang
So for the last question po, as an individual, how do you show leadership skills in your school?
Leadership is about making positive impact, not just on title. I can show leadership by helping classmates and being a good example.
Thank you po sa mga answers po.
Pillar 1. Teaching and Learning. Innovative Curricular and Instruction. Empowered expert and productive faculty members. Holistic Student Development. Pillar 2. Research and Extension. Intensified Research Innovation. Dissemination and Utilization. Strengthened Sustainable and Impactful Extension Program. Expanded Research and Extension Network with local, national, and international partners. Pillar 3. Internal Governance. Transformational University Leadership. Judicious and Ethical Stewards. Physical and Financial Resources. Effective and Efficient Human Resources Management. Excellent Citizen Client Satisfaction. Smart Campuses.